What if the fastest way to change your entire upper body isn't more push-ups, but the right push-ups? Because 6 variations can rebuild your upper body for the long game. Stronger chest and arms, a locked-in core, and shoulders that stay pain-free. But miss one rule, and you'll do push-ups for months and still look and feel the same. So which variation is the most underrated? And which one helped shape a legendary fighter? Number 6. Spider-Man push-ups. Take a classic movement and add a powerful twist. Literally, each rep brings one knee toward the elbow on the same side as you lower, forcing your core to resist rotation while your hips open through a bigger range of motion. That single-sided drive lights up the obliques and hip flexors, building the kind of trunk stability that transfers to rotational sports like pickleball and everyday movement. To get the most from this variation, keep your hips level and maintain a hollow body position. Avoid letting your midsection sag or twisting through the torso. Aim for 8 to 15 reps per side, focusing on slow, controlled movement. If the full version is too challenging, start with your hands elevated on a bench or step, then progress to the floor as your strength improves. Spider-Man push-ups may not top the charts for chest or triceps growth, but their value in mobility and anti-rotation strength makes them a smart foundation for upper body change. Now we get into the variations that don't just build muscle, they build shoulders that last. Number 5. The push-up plus takes the familiar movement and adds a critical finishing touch. At the top of each rep, you press the floor away and spread the shoulder blades forward, and that lights up the serratus anterior, a muscle often called the boxer's muscle for its role in powerful punches and stable overhead motion. If your shoulders ever feel sketchy during push-ups, bench, dips, or overhead work, this is one of the simplest ways to start fixing that. When researchers measure muscle activation, Push-Up Plus produces roughly 2 to 3 times more activation than a standard push-up, making it a top choice for anyone looking to bulletproof their shoulders and improve posture. The benefits go beyond muscle tone. Strong serratus function helps keep the shoulder blades flat against the rib cage, reducing the risk of impingement and helping overhead lifts feel smoother. To get the most out of this variation, focus on 2 cues: reach long at the top without shrugging the shoulders, and keep the spine neutral from head to tailbone. A common mistake is letting the neck jut forward or shrugging the shoulders up toward the ears, which steals work from the serratus. If the full version feels too tough, start with your hands on a wall or bench before progressing to the floor. For shoulder health and stability, aim for 12 to 20 smooth, controlled reps per set. For more exercises that build strength safely and effectively, check out my channel LiftZip. It's loaded with workouts that actually work. Number 4. Diamond push-ups stand out for their ability to build dense arms and a stronger lockout at the top of every press. Bringing the hands together beneath the chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers, forces the elbows to track back at about a 45-degree angle. This narrow base ramps up the challenge for the long head of the triceps, demanding more elbow extension torque with every rep. EMG research consistently shows that diamond push-ups produce the highest triceps activation among push-up variations, outperforming standard and wide grip styles. That means more muscle fibers recruited, especially in the part of the triceps responsible for arm size and pressing strength. The inner chest also works harder, helping to carve out definition where the pecs meet the sternum. To get the most from this movement, focus on 2 things. First, keep your hands directly under your mid-chest, not your face or your stomach. Second, maintain a straight line from head to heels. Letting your elbows flare or your wrists collapse are common mistakes that sap power and put joints at risk. If full diamond push-ups feel too tough at first, start from your knees or elevate your hands on a sturdy surface. As you get stronger, progress to full reps on the floor, then add a weighted vest or slow down the tempo for a greater challenge. Number 3. Pike push-ups flip the script on traditional pressing. By turning your body into an inverted V, hips raised high and weight pushed toward the shoulders. This angle transforms the push-up into a vertical challenge, dialing back chest involvement by as much as 60% and shifting the load straight into the anterior deltoids. The result is a move that not only builds upper shoulder mass, but also lays down the groundwork for more advanced skills like handstand push-ups. Form is everything here. Start with your hands just outside shoulder width, fingers spread for balance, and drive your hips up until your body forms a sharp angle, almost like you're trying to touch your tailbone to the ceiling. Lower your head between your hands, aiming the crown toward the floor, and keep your legs straight with your heels off the ground. Each rep should feel like a controlled descent, not a dive. The key is to avoid letting your back arch or your elbows flare wide, which shifts tension away from the shoulders and constrains the lower back. Pike push-ups are scalable. Beginners can start with their feet on the floor and hands elevated on a sturdy surface, while advanced athletes can raise their feet on a box or progress to wall-supported handstand push-ups. Aim for 6 to 10 reps per set, focusing on full range of motion and a steady tempo. This variation stands out for its direct carryover to vertical pressing strength, making it a top pick for anyone serious about building powerful, well-rounded shoulders. Number 2. Archer push-ups. Take the push-up from a team effort to a one-arm challenge, shifting most of your body weight onto a single arm with each rep. Set your hands wide and transfer your weight to one side, and the working arm and pec handle nearly all the pressing power. This is not just about brute strength. It is about training your nervous system to recruit more muscle fibers on demand. The load is not shared. Your chest, triceps, and even your shoulders stabilize and press as if you are working toward a true one-arm push-up. Each rep becomes a test of control and coordination. The straight, supportive arm acts as a guide, while the pressing arm drives the motion. To get the most from archer push-ups, focus on pushing your chest directly over the working hand and keep the support arm straight throughout. Letting the support elbow bend or failing to shift your weight fully are common mistakes that turn the movement into a wide grip push-up and lose the unilateral benefit. This movement is also a powerful tool for correcting strength imbalances. If one side lags behind, you will know right away, and the extra neural demand helps both sides catch up. For most people, 4 to 8 reps per side is enough to spark real adaptation. Beginners can start with the feet wider for more balance or use a band for assistance, while advanced athletes can progress to true one-arm push-ups. Archer push-ups sit near the top of the list because they build single-arm strength and neural drive that unlocks the next level of upper body power. Mike Tyson's name carries weight far beyond the boxing ring, and his approach to training is the stuff of a legend. The push-up variation that carries his name isn't just about showmanship. It is a masterclass in explosive upper body power and raw conditioning. Number 1. The Mike Tyson push-up. Mike Tyson push-ups combine a knuckle stance with an explosive movement that feels like throwing a punch. They are fast, powerful, and intense. Start in a push-up position with your fists on the ground, knuckles lined up under your shoulders. Lower your chest toward the floor, then push your hips back a little, like you are loading a spring. Next, explode forward, driving your body back up into the push-up position, pressing strongly with your arms. This move is not just for show. Each rep trains your ability to generate power quickly, which is what makes a punch strong. Boxing stories tell that Tyson did hundreds of explosive push-ups in one session, building fast twitch muscles that made him powerful in the ring. Pressing on your fists also keeps your wrists safe and helps with proper alignment. To get the most from this exercise, keep your core tight and push explosively from the bottom. Avoid letting your wrists collapse inward or losing control when lowering your body. This is not a move for doing hundreds of reps. It's about doing each push-up with focus and power. When done correctly, Mike Tyson push-ups build strong, explosive upper body muscles and improve control, making them one of the best push-ups for real upper body transformation. Want more tips like this? Subscribe to LiftZip and level up your workouts.